It is sour and sweet fruit. It is round in shape, orange colored and rich in vitamin C. You can clean the floor. You can remove the dust. You can pick up clothes and other things are there on the floor. Dustbin should be covered. I keep my home clean. Bye.
My name is Grace. I am small, round or oval in shape. My color is green or purple. I taste sweet. I am rich in iron. Thank you.
A flower is where seeds are made and stored. The stem supports other parts and plant like the skeleton in an animal. The stem also moves water to other parts of the plant. The roots supports the plant in the ground. The roots also take in water from the ground. The leaves are where food is made, for plant to live and grow. But plants provide us food like fruits, vegetables, etc. Plants provide us medicine. Plants provide to reduce soil erosion. Plants provide air pollution. Plants provide paper. Plants are a good source of wood and timber. Bye bye.
Everyone, my name is Pierre. My color is green and yellow color. I look like an apple. My seeds white and brown seeds. Thank you.